Hello world, it's your boy Chef Rome, aka the Clark into the kitchen, and tonight we're back at it again, dining on the roof here at the National Harbor. Such a beautiful day, anniversary celebration, and they're doing it here with me, and I'm so happy to be doing it here with them, and together we'll be a team tonight. Welcome to the House of Rome.
There we go.
Twist it first.
Oh, there you go. Now that's a happy birthday. All right now.
Beautiful.
You want a video of us picking up the wing too?
I don't know. As long as you look satisfied. Didn't record. That's cool.